Hello, my dear children. This is your Tanvi teacher from St. Paul's High School. Yes, children, today your Tanvi teacher is back with your new activity topic. Any guesses? What are we going to do today? Let me tell you. This week we learned about flowers, right? Yes, so our today's topic is bouquet. Okay, so now children, tell me, what do you mean by bouquet? Have you heard the word bouquet? Okay, let me tell you, a bouquet means a bunch of flowers. Bouquet means a bunch of flowers. Okay, so today our topic is bouquet, a bunch of flowers. Today we are going to do flower bouquet. Okay, so children, today we are going to make a flower out of the waste of this pencil. Okay, when you sharpen this pencil and when you roll it like this, can you see the waste coming out? We are going to make a flower of this waste. Okay, see, you have to just sharpen like this. Nicely you have to sharpen like this and flower is coming out. Can you see here? Yes, very good. Okay, so I'll show you now. See this, our flower is ready. So you have to just check this from like this. Okay, can you see here, children? Our flower is ready. Just check this part like this here and our flower will be ready. In this way we are going to make many flowers and we are going to make a bunch of flowers. Okay, so let us start now, children, and be ready with your materials. So as I showed, children, you have to sharpen your pencil little more as we require 6 to 7 flowers. Okay, so let us write the topic first. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower bouquet. B-O-U-Q-U-E-T, flower bouquet. So children, now let us start drawing the bouquet first. For that you need to make a square in between and then you make a 2 slanting lines and a 1 standing line like a bow. And now you can make ribbons for it like this. Then you can make 2 curved lines from the top, and again from the bottom you can make 2 slanting lines and join that by the slipping line. Then you can make 2 slanting lines like this. Make a slipping line and a slanting line from both the side. Now you can take the flower, apply the glue on that flower and you can stick in the middle of that bouquet. Again you can take another flower, apply glue nicely and you can stick different flowers on the different places. Randomly you can stick it. See that you keep the gap in between the flowers, children, as we are going to make the leaf also. So see that you keep gap between the flowers. Okay, you need to press it nicely, children, or else this will take time to stick. So apply glue nicely and you have to stick the flower nicely. You have to press the flower nicely. Okay, don't press too much that your flowers broke it up. Okay, see, this way you have to stick the flowers. Look at the teacher's screen, the way teacher is sticking here. The same way you have to do, children. You can stick 6 to 7 flowers.
Once you complete with the sticking part, children, you can remove your green color sketch pen and you can make the slanting lines. You can make slanting lines, you can make straight line for the stem, right children? And then you can make a leaf. You can give the shape of the leaf, children. You can make leaf from both the side. Wherever you can see the space, you can fill up that space with the leaf. Here also we are going to make leaf from both the side. Give a standing line to each and every flower, children. Here there is no space, so we can just give the standing line like this. Now inside the leaf you can give slanting lines, children, and after that you can give 2 more slanting lines from both the side with the green color sketch pen. You can use light green color sketch pen to decorate your leaf inside that. Now children, you can use your green color crayon and you can give a coloring part to the leaf. Yes, you can color to the leaf. You have to color nicely, children. See to it that you don't come outside the line. And take care of the flowers, children, okay? It will take time to stick. Here we complete with the green color part. Now you can take your silver color or grey color and you can give a grey color to the bouquet. Complete your whole big bouquet with the help of grey color. See to it that children, you don't color to the ribbon. We are going to give different color to the ribbon, okay? Enjoy your activity, children. Color it nicely. Don't go outside the line, okay? See, look on the screen, children, how teacher is coloring. Now you can come to the down part of the bouquet and you can give the same color over there. See children, how teacher is coloring in the one direction. In the same way you have to give the color in the one direction. See to it that you don't go outside the line. Okay? So here we come to an end with the grey color. Once you are done with the grey color, children, now you can remove your red color for the ribbon. You can give red color to the ribbon, children. So remove your red color and color to that ribbon so that it will look more attractive. Color from both the side. Give red color from both the side and also give to the ribbon. The whole ribbon will be of red color. See that children, you don't mix up all the colors. And here we are completing with the ribbon part. And see, our bouquet is ready. Our flower bouquet is ready, children. Isn't it beautiful?
Children,
Yes.
how was today's activities topic? Did you all enjoy? I hope children you all have enjoyed today's activity session. That's all for today, children. I will be back soon with our new activity topic, okay? Till that, you take care of yourself, okay? Bye. Have a nice day.